how are we doing, guys? This will be a voice that you haven't heard in a long time. I think looking back, I'm actually about 4 days off of a year putting my last video up. Now, I know that's fucking shocking. It's an absolute disgrace. You should be ashamed to call yourself a motovlogger, fucking part-timer. I know it all. But guess what, guys? It is official, I am back. The channel is getting relaunched. The content will hopefully be coming plentiful. A lot of yous are probably cursing that as well, but not to worry. But yes, life has been life. So much happened over the last year between moving house and other personal stuff, just trying to find the time to even get out on the bike, let alone fucking get out and record something. Was tough. It was tough. I won't lie to yous. But things are sort of not so much settling, but just coming to a point where just got to do what you got to do. You know, you've no control over things that happen in your life. It's just as it is. You know, fucking COVID's a prime example of that. So it is. Now, I've been what they class as essential, but to me that just says shut the fuck up and go on with your job. So it is. So not much has actually changed for me. So between being a lorry driver and still having to work your usual shift patterns, and you know, the only thing that really changed was that the roads got a bit quieter. But aye, between being classed as an essential employee and just being a bit of an antisocial bastard, not really much changed for my life. You know, the only thing that really changed was the fact that I had to queue up to get into Tesco. So as it was all good. But no, even now, like, I'm on my way to work. Decided it's dry enough to use the bike. Nothing worse than getting to work and being soaked through. But yes, the big main sort of disappointment for me with all this COVID was the TT being cancelled. I was booked up to go over there this year with the bike. Had the guest house and everything booked, ferry booked. But safety first and all that, so that was potentially going to be the relaunch of the channel, was the trip to the Isle of Man. But hey, there's always next year. And you're probably wondering why I have my session there but you're not actually seeing my ugly mug. And that is because I didn't really check the status of it before leaving the house. Put it on the bike, pressed the record button, and SD card full, so I didn't really have the time to wipe it and that, so you just really get to see what I see and you don't get to see me. But yes, that's been it. It's just really been a case of work and other shit. Obviously the in-laws are shielding, so been doing regular runs for them for groceries and prescriptions, medicines. So yeah, it's just doing my bit in between work. But on a plus note, I have a fresh batch of R6 Monkey stickers are going, so anybody that would like a sticker, drop me a wee comment, message me on usual channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, I'm on them all. Spam them, hit the like buttons. You know it's got to be done. But yes, that's it, just get in touch. Let me know who's still out there watching. You know, is it a new era in the motovlog community? I was going through my wee box the other night of sort of letters and spam cards I'd received from other motovloggers, and it was just weird to think how many of them are no longer actually active. But obviously wondering, well, how many of you are actually still out there? So it is. So yes, hit me up on a message, let me know you're still there, let me know you're still watching or following or doing whatever you do. Let me know how things have been for you. And apart from that, I'm just going to plod on, get to work, do my shift, and you never know, I might even see you on the way home. I might have time to sort my session while I'm there. The joys of the GoPro app on the phone. And I will be in touch, guys. I'm not going anywhere. So remember, guys, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye, peace out.